Today, I'm going to be replacing a Whirlpool oven door hinge. If you're having issues with your oven door not closing properly, then this video might help. Here's the model that I'm going to be working with today. First, we need to pull back these oven locking hinges, then angle the oven door and lift up. Remove these two screws that hold in the oven hinge. The two screws below it are the oven bracket that hold in the oven door glass. Remove these as well. Remove the screw in the top left-hand corner. Then do the same with the screw in the top right-hand corner. This will allow you to remove the oven door handle, which needs to come off to separate the glass from the door. Remove the other bracket screws on the other side of the door. No need to remove the hinge screws unless you plan on replacing both hinges. Now you can remove the glass from the oven door. Here's a look at the oven door hinge installed on the door. Just remove this one screw and your oven hinge should slide out. Here's an up-close look at the broken oven hinge. You can see that the rivet came out of the hole. These seem to break in the same place every time. Here's my new Whirlpool door hinge for this model of oven. You can see that it comes in the locked position. This is fine. We're going to install it this way. Line up the hinge hole with the door where the last screw was that you took out. Install your two other hinge screws on the bottom. Here's where things get interesting. You can see these nipples on this black slit. This goes into the hole, and that other nipple will go into the hole on the oven door itself. I found it's easiest to do this one side at a time. Don't try and do both sides at once when reinstalling the glass on the oven door. I'm sure it can be done, but it just makes it more difficult. Make sure to line up that slat on the top when putting back these silver pieces, and they do slide over the holes. Carefully set the glass back onto the oven door, making sure to line up that nipple on that black slit. If everything is flush, go ahead and install the bottom bracket. Here, I'm just making sure that the black part did not pop out. This side in and the bracket screwed. I'm going to go ahead and line everything up on the other side, then secure this bracket into place. Now we can reinstall our oven door handle. Now we can put our oven door back onto the range. If you have problems reinstalling the oven door back onto the range, check out this video here, which goes into a little more detail on how to do this. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Dave. This fix is done.